How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I'm going to show you how to go from adapter to a spacer. Okay, so working on the back of my Accord. You guys saw my last upload where I put my extended studs, and really great. They work awesome, and I haven't had any problems with them. But you guys saw my last upload. Finally I'm changing to studs, and by having extended studs, it's really good to have them because I don't want to rely on this spacer alone. All the weight of the car is on this spacer and this studs, which makes me not so sure about the car. It's scary sometimes, which these ones are really strong. By going with those, you can go from this to this. Even if you want to put different spacers, you can go now with this, because by putting extended studs you have more treads, and then your wheels are going to secure to your vehicle. That's why I decided to do this. These ones are 1/4 inch, and like that, having extended studs, you can play from 25mm to 20, 15, depends on what you need. Right now I'm looking for having probably 20mm on the rear and 15 on the front, and I'm gonna explain you in another video why I'm gonna go different size on the front. But in this case, you can do that. You can have these spacers, or you can have 25mm. This is 25mm. This is 1/4 inch, and you can play with them, but make sure that you do it safely with extended studs. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to go from that to that, and then I'm going to start working on this in a minute. We have the setup in here, guys. This is 2 pieces of wood only, so you can do this in your home. Just make sure that you're careful with it. Safety glasses is a must. Wear your safety glasses because you might get hurt. So 2 pieces of wood. I'm not gonna use these studs anymore, so I don't need to put the lug nuts on it. You can do it if you have a press at home or at your job. You can use a press and press them out, but I'm gonna show you how to do it in your driveway, so you can do this yourself. Just be careful. Put your adapter in between the woods, so when you hit the stud, it doesn't hit anything on the bottom. You're just gonna drop. Be careful with this step. You can see stud is out. Second one. Third and fourth. Okay, so we have the studs out. You see how easy it is, and I know I'm not gonna use these ones, but they're still in really good condition. But still, we don't need them anymore. That's how you remove the studs on your adapters, and you go from an adapter to a spacer. And by having extended studs, which the ones that I have, they're not ARP, but they still the company that I go with is really good, and I know they're gonna work fine. And if you're curious like me, this is the original stud. This is the one for the adapter, and that's the new extended stud. You see the difference? There's a lot of difference between them. So there you have it right there. We go from this and this to that one. A lot more threads, and that's what we're looking for. And really happy, really stoked about this. And some people mentioned that my rotors, they were on the wrong position. It was backwards. I saw a lot of cars and companies made them different ways. Probably the cars that I saw on the streets, they have the wrong setup too, but in this case I'm switching my rotors again. So we have these ones going on that direction now, same like in the front ones for my 4-piston brakes. If you haven't seen this process, everything that I did, I'm going to put the link on the description so you can see the big setup that I have on my car for Piston Acura RL calipers. Amazing. I haven't made anything related to that, but I can tell you that the car now is braking really good. And I only have AC Delco brake pads on the front, and this video is not a sponsor, okay? I pay for everything with my own money. But I went with AC Delco, really cheap brake pads, and on my next one, probably in a few months, I'm gonna upgrade to some really good brake pads. I'm not gonna tell you what it is now, but I'm gonna do some brake testing. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. This is the best way for me now. I'm gonna feel more comfortable running my spacers on the vehicle, because it's still with the spacer and with the wheel, we're gonna have a lot of treads. But this is not the final setup. I'm gonna do something different to make it even better on the fitment of my wheels. I'm gonna do something better later on, but this is gonna be the new setup with extended studs and changing the adapters to spacers. We can run whatever we want now. I hope you like this video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. A lot of people has been subscribing. I appreciate that, guys. If you keep subscribing, keep watching my content, I'm gonna put more. So I hope you like this one, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.